Hello there, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. Today I'm in the wood shop and I'm going to turn a bolt action pin kit from Strong Ink. Bear with me for a moment and I will get everything together and we'll get started. Alrighty, so let me turn you toward the lathe so you can see what we have going on. I have laid out our pen kit. And this way you can see that QR code. And there's the pin number, just in case you would like to find a bolt action kit for yourself. I've taken the barrel and I've found an appropriately sized pin blank, little walnut and cherry, our pin bushings, our barrel trimmer, our 9.5 millimeter bit is already in our chuck. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. And I will set these things aside so that we can get started. We'll pull the gloves on. I'm going to try this CA finish. Not something I've done before. I've seen a lot of guys do it. Not entirely sure how it's to be done, other than use glue and be fast. Let's go ahead and disassemble our mandrel. Those two bushings go in one box. All the spacers go in another. Alrighty. Well, that came out a whole lot easier than I thought it would. Let me box my bushing, or bag my bushings here real quick. Right, these guys go in the 9.5 millimeter bag. You only get 2 in a kit. And then the 7 millimeter, you get 5 of them. And they can double as your spacer. Just in case you need an extra one. Alrighty, so our kit, let's go ahead and lay out the parts so you can see all of this. There you go. Alright, so here is our spring and our cross cartridge. This is the action or transmission, however you want to say it, as it's a bolt action pen kit. It's more of an action, just saying. Alright, there's that, and here is the last bit, and this is kit number PKBA-1-G. It's the gold bolt action pen kit. Now I'm going to go ahead and unbag the last piece. That way our assembly goes relatively quick. I've tried to get better at this process. Grab my clamp. Alright, so now first thing we're going to do, first part I like to do, I like to get this, let's see, which end do I want down? I think I like the I think I like this walnut side down. So we're going to do that just like that. I use a clamp for this. I have ordered a pen press, but I don't have it yet. Alright, so there is that part, all nicely done. Then I'm going to set this part, and we will get it ready to go. And there again, I just center it on the pad of the clamp, straighten up the piece so that we're pressing in a very straight line, or as straight as possible, and then support it if it begins to buckle away. And that is really what we want to avoid. Alright, and then you just unscrew the nib, put the cartridge in there, screw the nib back on, and your pen works just like so. And so this is our gold bolt action pen kit in walnut and cherry. And that is how she looks. And I just love these pen kits. Alright, so here we are. Hat back on. After all, we can't be out of uniform. I would really like to thank Strong Ink. I have 2 more kits left in the box that they sent me, and these have just been an absolute joy. It has not been without its learning curve. I'd never done one of these before I got this box of pen, and they're great. Materials are great, very attractive. Even with the sort of odds and ends that I've been using as blanks for my pens, and they're fantastic. They're high quality. The CA finish will get better with time. That's a new skill for me, first time ever doing that today, and I truly look forward to a continued relationship with Strong Ink. These are fantastic. There will be a link both in the description and on the video. Check out their channel on YouTube at Strong Ink, or check out their website for a phenomenal array of pen kits at all cost levels and other project kits that are just fantastic. So with that, I'm gonna leave you for today. God bless and have a wonderful week.